5 Best Mechanical Keyboards. Number 5. Corsair K95 RGB Platinum. Built to withstand a lifetime of gaming. Lightweight and rugged durability. 8 MB profile storage with hardware macro. Utilize the 19-zone light edge. 6 dedicated macro keys. Dynamic multicolor per key backlighting. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 4. SteelSeries Apex M750. Intuitive per key RGB lighting customization. Durable 5000 series aluminum alloy. Real-time Discord and game lighting notifications. Featuring ultra-fast QX2 mechanical switches. Stored on board for on-the-go use. Reactive illumination to in-game events like low ammo. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 3. Razer Ornata Chroma. A crisp tactile mechanical click. Mecha membrane keys. Soft cushioned membrane rubber dome. Ergonomic magnetic wrist rest. 10-key rollover anti-ghosting. Custom designed keycaps for quicker actuation. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 2. Corsair K68. Accidents so your game never stops. Every key press registers correctly. Stay focused and prevent accidental windows. High-performance gaming experience. 10 weight, 3.02 pounds. Software CD not included with the product. Please check the description for detail and price. Number 1. Redragon K552. Custom mechanical switches. Ultimate gaming performance. Double shot injection molded keycaps. Red LED adjustable lighting. Metal and ABS construction. 87 standard conflict-free keys. Please check the description for detail and price.